Good evening and welcome to this crowd by Precious. In this video, I'll be explaining how to clean data. Cleaning of data is a very important aspect in Excel you need to understand. And how do we clean our data? How to import CSV files? Because most times when you get data online, let's say from Cargo, you need to actually um, clean this data up, check if there's anything that needs to be cleaned there. So let us I've gotten my data already from an online base, so I want to just this is my data here, right? So I want to like get external data, but now from text because it's like a text file. Yeah, so I have my car event which I've downloaded already. CSV file. So you can see what it showed here. The data type that the best describe your data. You can just next. Okay, so let's just next and finish. So just okay. So you can see what we have now. So we have the data imported into Excel from the CSV file. So we have car ID, we have um, the full name, we have the model, we have everything we need. So we'll be cleaning this data. We'll clean this data. Let's see. There's nothing much to be cleaned about this data, but let me just show you the dynamics of cleaning data shortly. So this is so what the first thing I'm going to do is to actually try to filter. So let us filter. So when you filter, you can actually clean your data very well because it's actually very easy to clean your data after you have filtered, right? So looking at this, let's say we go to our car ID. We go to our car ID. This is what we have. So let us say from this car ID, we want to just select only these two. We want to just work with only these two. Once we click on it, we'll be having only those two for the car ID. So let's go back to the filter. I was selecting all. Then we have everything back again in our data set. This is actually another thing entirely in the data set. But so the filter is basically to actually clean your data easily in case there's anything you don't need. For example, if I click on this filter and let's say I don't want to use this GM, probably there's a blank. I don't want to input him, like I don't want blanks to be my data set or something. Can easily, so you just eliminate it. I won't have that again in my data set, and you can select all back again if you want to. So the filter button, like the filter, is actually very important while cleaning your data. In my subsequent videos, I will actually be explaining a lot of things on pivot tables, right? I will explain pivot tables, and we'll be we'll be using a comprehensive data like this from the online platforms, probably Cargo. I'll be getting data from Cargo. But before we prepare pivot table, we'll also be cleaning the data. So you also be gaining better understanding on cleaning of data because most of the data sets we're going to be working with is what we actually like we clean it first before you can work with it. So that's basically data cleaning. So we have this. So this data has actually been cleaned already. That's why we don't have any form of error, or let us say we have blanks, because if we have blank, as if this was a blank, we have just removed the blank, right? So we have our data cleaned, but the data does not have, let's look at it one by one. Data does not have any problem because it has been cleaned already. Okay, okay, see that? Okay, okay. So this is a cleaned data. So I hope you understand one or two things on data cleaning. In my next video, I'll be using the same data to create pivot tables so you can actually flow with it and understand. And I'll also be making a lot of comprehensive videos also on data cleaning and as we begin to advance into the intermediate part of Microsoft Excel. So beginners, this is actually a very basic example. Just make sure you master your filter button. Make sure you actually know how to import data file CSV. You can go back and watch it slowly into Excel. And if you have any questions, just go to the comment section and put them there. I'll provide the answers for you. Thank you. So watch out for my next video, subscribe. I'll be using the same data to work on pivot tables. Thank you.